What keeps practical automotive training accurate, safe, and easy to review? A job card form gives each repair task a clear record from the first vehicle details to the final sign-off. It also helps students, instructors, and supervisors follow progress during workshop training. Job card forms matter because automotive training depends on technical accuracy and practical accountability. They help track student competency, standardize safety procedures, maintain compliance records, and improve communication during assessments. Without proper documentation, important learning outcomes or safety procedures can be missed. A job card tracks each stage of workshop activity from vehicle intake to final sign-off. It records vehicle details, service requests, work instructions, fault diagnosis, repair procedures, parts and materials, safety precautions, protective equipment, labor hours, instructor reviews, and student sign-offs. Includes parts, safety, labor, reviews, sign-offs. The form begins with student and vehicle information, including names, training date, registration, make, model, vehicle identification number, and workshop location. It also covers work description and diagnostics, such as the reported issue, diagnostic objectives, fault codes, testing procedures, and technical references. Another section records protective equipment, tools, parts, labor hours, assessor feedback, signatures, and quality verification. Records may be lost or left incomplete, creating gaps. Instructors may have poor visibility across many tasks, and inconsistent reporting, such as unclear handwriting, missing signatures, and delayed reviews, can reduce reliability. Inconsistent reporting, such as unclear handwriting, missing signatures, and delayed reviews, can reduce reliability. eAuditor Audits and Inspections digitizes job cards through mobile forms, real-time reporting, and centralized dashboards. Students and instructors can complete records on mobile devices or tablets, upload photos, capture diagnostic screenshots, record safety observations, and add digital signatures. Reports are then generated automatically with performance summaries and assessor feedback. eAuditor can create corrective action tasks, assign deadlines, monitor progress, and track recurring issues. Across multiple workshop locations, dashboards help management monitor student progress, compare workshop performance, review instructor feedback, and track completion rates. Best practice is to complete job cards immediately, include detailed diagnostics, and use photos and digital systems for faster documentation, better safety compliance, reduced paperwork, easier audit preparation, and stronger student tracking. It supports safety, accountability, diagnostics, assessment, and progress tracking from start to finish. Digital systems make that process faster, safer, and easier to manage across training environments. A structured job card helps turn workshop activity into a clear training record.